Nice! Woo! Yeah! Whoa! Hey, what's up everyone? The Novice Angler here, out here at the little pond by my house where last week I caught 3 big bass. I'm hoping to catch some bass today using lures. I'll be using the weightless Texas rig, and the other one is the Wacky Rig. They said it's probably one of the more simpler methods to try to fish for bass. We'll see. So far I caught only 2 bass using lures, and that was over last summer. So see if we can do it again today. Talk to you later. Okay folks, I left my minnows inside the car, and so this is the setup that we have. It's basically very simple, no weight, no nothing. I simply have this size 2/0 offset worm hook, and what I'm going to use is I'm going to try my luck using a plastic worm. So probably this little 5-inch plastic worm, and the way that you want to do it is that you simply want to hook it directly right in the center, and once you get to this bend you want to twist it around and find out where the point of the hook is going to be at, and that's where you stick it right through, and there it is. That is called the Texas rig. Again, I caught only 2 bass using it, and that was last year. I'm hoping to turn my luck around, and I'm hoping that today will be the day that we can finally catch us a fish using lures. They say once you cast it out there, you just want to let it drop until it hits the bottom. Then that's when you want to give it a couple twitches. And we say when bass fishing, you want to try to keep it as close to the shore as... Oh, whoa! Huh! How about that? I think I caught a bite. Well folks, it's been about 20 minutes since I've been out here. I think I caught 2 bites using the Texas rig, but I haven't really caught anything else since then. And so what I'm going to do a slight modification, and basically what you want to do is that you simply want to take the plastic worm off, and this is as simple as it gets, folks. This is called the Wacky Rig. I've never tried it, but from all the videos I've seen, it seems like it does pretty well. All you do is just you hook it right down the middle, and that's it, folks. That's called the Wacky Rig. See how well this works. But to me, This is a method that seems like you'll catch a lot of weeds. Okay folks, I spent 40 minutes out here trying to use the Texas rig and as well as the Wacky Rig. So far I haven't caught anything yet. I did catch 2 bites on using the Texas rig. Let's give it a shot with the minnows. And what we're going to use is we're going to use this Aberdeen hook. And hopefully we have better luck using this than we did with a plastic worm. Yeah, one thing for sure, I do need to practice on using lures and the Texas rig, because all the YouTube videos I see, they make it look so easy catching bass on it, and yet so far I haven't caught anything. Wow! Look at it, folks. Nice. Woo, yeah. Whoa. Wow, what a difference. Not even 5 minutes into it, the very first cast. Look at the size of that guy, folks. Look at that. That is a good looking bass. Wow. There you are, folks. Good, probably a pound easily. This guy has some good weight to him. Look at him, folks. Yes. That is a nice looking bass. No more than 5 minutes on the very first cast.
Well, I wanted to try a new place, but unfortunately there was constructions by it, so I can't get to it. So here we are back at our favorite little park. Hopefully we can do a little bit better. Let's give it a shot, see what we can do.
So we're going to try out the trap again. We did okay the other day, first time using it, but also I think a lot of it got away for the fact that we were using a circle hook instead of an octopus hook. So let's give it a shot today, and we just picked up a brand new batch of worms, so just in case. And the biggest difference is this time I'll be using a size 2 octopus hook, so hopefully we'll catch some this time. And of course our Jell-O'd hot dogs here. There we go. There. Now, make sure the line is at the bottom so it doesn't get all tangled up like it did last time. And there we go. Hopefully we'll catch something. Hopefully we can do better here than we did at that other pond. Whoa, that was quick. Wow. There we go. Already caught one. Yeah. Nice. There we go, folks. It's kind of small. It's about a pound. There we go, folks. First 10 minutes in, already caught us catfish. Not a bad size. Look at that, folks. Up. There we go, folks. Our first one, 10 minutes in. Not bad. Not bad at all. Let's try out this fish hook remover here. First time I picked it up, I thought it was a really cool idea. Oh, that was easy. There we go, folks. First one of the day. 10 minutes in. Well, folks, it's been about half an hour. Haven't had any more bites besides that one catfish. Actually, I think there might be something on the hot dog. Keep seeing it twitch, but it's not setting off the trap, so I'm not going to worry about it. Oh, whoa, oh, there we go, folks. Wow. There we go, folks. There we go. Doesn't feel like it's that big, but hey, we're catching them. There we go, folks. Little one. Still, we're catching it. Oh. Little guy's putting up a real good fight. Look at that, folks. Look at that. That is a nice looking catfish. It's probably only about a pound, but okay, we're still catching them. And so far, nothing as of yet on the minnow. So, here we go, folks. Not a bad size. There we go. So far, 40 minutes into it, caught ourselves two good-sized catfish. A little bit smaller than the ones that we've been catching, but hey, I'm not complaining. And so far, nothing as of yet on the minnows. So if anything else, I'll probably just try it out with worms. See if we can catch at least some bluegills or something. There we go, folks. Wow, that was quick. First cast with a worm and I caught something. One thing for sure, folks. Yeah, good 5-incher, 5-inch bluegill. At least we're catching something. Wow, there we go. And we still have our worm. Oh, yeah. There we go, folks. Yeah, decent size, not bad. Probably about 7 inches. One of the bigger ones that we caught. Not too shabby. There we go, folks. Yeah, not a bad one. Decent size, about 6 inches. Whoa. Just hooked himself again. There we go.
Well, there you have it, folks. We spent a good hour out there at the little pond. Tried using the Texas rig and the Wacky Rig. Did manage to catch a couple bites on the Texas rig, but I didn't land anything. Within the first 5 minutes of using the minnow, I caught that 1-pound bass. Yeah, I guess I still need to work on it. I guess I still need to learn. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Maybe if you guys can let me know. Go ahead and leave me a comment. Leave me your suggestions. And over at the other park, we did okay. We did catch 2 catfish and quite a few bluegills. So anyway, folks, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to watch more of this type of videos, please give me a like and subscribe. And I'll talk to you later.